lessons on YouTube anyway.
Okay.
Look at it. I see the thing that's running into it. See, look at this.
What? What am I looking at?
Bringing all the water.